Kobe, he dunked on me. That's when I realized I was still a rookie. I tried to just stand there. I was thinking he was gonna shoot a jump shot. He came down the lane and dunked it so hard, and it was just like, boom. And I don't remember hearing nothing else but boom, and then I heard, oh, wow.
And of course, no lead is safe against the Lakers because of this man, Kobe Bryant, can take over.
Kobe with a spectacular jam.
He almost threw his elbow into the basket that time. And he posterizes Dwight Howard.
It has been developing for months. Breaking news tonight here on SportsCenter. And it looks like Dwight Howard is on the move, a deal that just really came about over the last couple of hours. Howard going to the Lakers.
Dying breed, but I'm still maintaining. Made it out the hood, I still pop out on some gang shit.
Getting Tony Parker missing with the quad contusion. Foul and one. Oh my, on the three. Look at this.
Yeah, we see guys do this all the time. They sense a little bit of contact and they throw it up there.
Leonard. Kawhi for the win. Oh, mama! 2.4 to go.
Terrific effort there from Kawhi. This is how you impose yourself on the game. You don't give it up here. No reason to try to give it to anybody else. Go to your strong suit. Go to your move that you've worked on countless times over and over again. Beautiful fadeaway.
What did the Clippers do so right that convinced Kawhi Leonard to sign with them?
Well, they traded for Paul George tonight. Paul George came to the Thunder in the last couple of days and asked to be traded to the Clippers. He wanted to play with Kawhi Leonard.
They do have a timeout. Decide not to use it. Curry, way downtown. Oh, what a shot from Curry! With 0.6 of a second remaining! The brilliant showing of Stephen Curry continues!
So you're going to snicker at my defense? You're going to laugh at me? Okay. Well, I'm the two-time MVP. We'll laugh at that.
Yes.
Steph Curry putting on a spectacular performance here in Game 7. Shot clock.
The Warriors do it by becoming only the 10th team out of 253 to win a best of 7 series while trailing 3 games to 1. Here's your champion.
The Warriors welcoming Kevin Durant to the Bay Area. The All-Star forward introduced at team headquarters during a press conference viewed around the world.
The news again coming in moments ago. Kevin Durant heading to the Golden State Warriors. How are you viewing this move from Durant?
Well, I'm viewing it as the weakest move I've ever seen from a superstar. Plain and simple. That's just how I look at it. It's not that he's leaving Oklahoma City. If you're not happy there and you want to move on and you want to grow as a player, or there's nothing wrong with that. But the flip side is this. They were up 3-1 in the Western Conference Finals. Not one, not two, but 3 different times. He was 48 minutes removed from getting to the NBA Finals by winning the Western Conference. 3 times he failed, particularly in Game 6. And you depart for the team that beat you?
By 3 with 7.1 remaining. Westbrook shows from the basketball. Goes to the rim! And sticks the dagger into the Rockets.
You know what I'm going to say? That was nasty at this point in the game. As Russ so many times goes to the basket with authority.
Everyone, make everything above your head.
Here's Ariza. Gets it off to Harden, and they confirm John hit very quickly for the Thunder. It's Adams. Abrinas mid-court 3. The series is over. The Rockets advance. And Westbrook and the Thunder will go home.
Well, once the Paul George trade happened with the Clippers, it started in motion the idea that Oklahoma City would trade Russell Westbrook. And he and James Harden talked right in the aftermath of the Paul George deal and started to discuss the idea of reuniting together. And Russell Westbrook and his agent Thad Fouché were in constant conversation with Sam Presti in Oklahoma City, let him know that the Rockets were at the very top of his wish list, and Oklahoma City wanted to move quickly. They didn't want this to linger through the summer.
No timeout.
But Curry is out. Livingston is back in. You're right about that. Absolutely, Jeff.
That happened in the finals. That's just wrong.
Here comes Irving. Drives on Thompson. Irving spins. Puts up the shot. It's good! Kyrie Irving with 3.4 remaining. And the Warriors call timeout. Irving does it again to the Warriors.
Incredible opportunity.
Durant for three. It's good! Kevin Durant from downtown. And Golden State takes the lead.
Kevin Durant, though, so gifted, comes down and just pulls up and knocks it in. In the end, if you told me a month ago that Kevin Durant and Kyrie Irving would wind up signing with the Nets, I would have said, yeah, and pigs are going to fly. Because if I told you that a month ago, before we heard any of this, you would have laughed at it. It's impossible what just happened.
He was looking for contact from Jermaine O'Neal, got a piece of it.
Jermaine O'Neal and gets a sit back, and Dwayne Wade right at the body of Anderson Varejao. Welcome to your Kodak moment, Anderson Varejao.
The answer to the question everybody wants to know. LeBron, what's your decision?
In this fall, man, this is very tough. In this fall, I'm going to take my talents to South Beach and join the Miami Heat. It's going to give me the best opportunity to win, and to win for multiple years. And not only just to win in the regular season or just to win 5 games in a row or 3 games in a row. I want to be able to win championships, and I feel like I can compete down there.
That's the best LeBron James defense I've seen in at least since the All-Star break coming back.
And the first fourth quarter turnover by New Orleans. Look at Randall being physical with James. Shot clock down to 4. LeBron lost it. Now regains, fires away, and drills it!
Suave on the beat.
I've seen that a lot as an opposing coach.
Yeah, he said, that's my boy, I'm going to be playing with him next year.
Look at this shot. I mean, you can't play the defense any better than that. It just breaks your heart on those, and breaks your spirit.
When you think that the NBA season is over when the Toronto Raptors, they crown themselves champions? Oh, no, it is not. We got breaking news into SportsCenter.
We do. I think the NBA offseason has become more interesting than the NBA regular season, and this is the biggest one of all. The Pelicans have agreed to finally trade Anthony Davis to the Lakers.
They sent me a list of numbers, and I didn't know what to choose. None of them looked right, so I went on like 2K and put all the numbers on my name. But obviously, we have rules, and the rule is, I think by March, whatever, 15th or something like that, that you have to make a request to change your number. So it is what it is. But the first number that I ever wore was number 3, and I put another picture on Instagram today of me wearing that number when I was in 7th grade. So when I saw the number was available, kind of just wanted to take it all the way back to where it first started and put the number back on.
I got so much fans right now. I'm just who they want right now. I think I know